Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for all things home decor and design. Today, we're going to be talking about pergola blinds design, and let's learn how to decorate your outdoor pergola with best blinds. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Pergola blinds are a great way to add privacy, shade, and style to your outdoor space. They can be used to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, or to simply block out the sun and wind. In this video, we'll discuss the meaning of pergola blinds design, the benefits of choosing this type of design, how to decorate your pergola with blinds, and the best materials for pergola blinds. We'll also share some tips on how to choose the right blinds for your needs. Pergola blinds are a type of window treatment that is specifically designed for use on pergolas. They are typically made of fabric or vinyl, and they can be used to add privacy, shade, and style to your outdoor space. Pergola blinds can be used to create a variety of different looks. They can be used to add a touch of elegance to your outdoor space, or they can be used to create a more casual and relaxed atmosphere. There are many benefits to choosing pergola blinds design. Some of the benefits include: first, privacy. Pergola blinds can help to create a sense of privacy in your outdoor space. This is especially important if you live in a crowded area or if you have neighbors who can see into your yard. Second, shade. Pergola blinds can help to block out the sun and keep your outdoor space cool and comfortable. This is especially important during the hot summer months. Third, style. Pergola blinds can add a touch of style and elegance to your outdoor space. They come in a variety of colors and patterns, so you can choose the perfect blinds to match your personal style. Fourth, protection. Pergola blinds can help to protect your outdoor furniture and plants from the sun, rain, and wind. Fifth, cost-effectiveness. Pergola blinds are a relatively affordable way to add privacy, shade, and style to your outdoor space. How to decorate your pergola with blinds design. There are many different ways to decorate your pergola with blinds design. Here are a few tips. First, choose the right blinds. When choosing blinds for your pergola, it is important to consider the size and shape of your pergola. You also need to think about the amount of sun and wind that you will be getting. Second, hang your blinds correctly. Once you have chosen the right blinds, it is important to hang them correctly. Make sure that the blinds are level and that they are not too tight or too loose. Third, add accessories. You can add accessories to your pergola blinds to make them more visually appealing. For example, you can add tassels, fringe, or beads to the bottom of your blinds. What best materials for pergola blinds design? There are a number of different materials that can be used to make pergola blinds. Some of the most popular materials include: 1. Fabric. Fabric blinds are a popular choice because they are affordable and easy to care for. 2. Vinyl. Vinyl blinds are another popular choice because they are durable and weather-resistant. 3. Wood. Wood blinds are a more expensive option, but they can add a touch of elegance to your outdoor space. 4. Aluminum. Aluminum blinds are a good choice for those who are looking for a durable and low-maintenance option. Ready to elevate your outdoor space? Pergola blinds offer a stylish and functional solution to enhance your patio or garden. Now, we'll explore the top 10 pergola blind design ideas to inspire your next outdoor project. From sleek and modern to rustic and charming, there's a perfect design for every taste. Let's dive in. Here are 10 captivating pergola blind design ideas to elevate your outdoor space. 1. Sleek minimalist. Opt for clean lines and neutral tones, like white or gray. For a modern and sophisticated look, choose motorized blinds for easy operation and a futuristic touch. 2. Rustic charm. Embrace natural materials like wood and rattan for a warm, inviting ambience. Pair these with earthy-toned fabric blinds to complement the rustic aesthetic. 3. Tropical paradise. Create a lush oasis with vibrant, tropical-inspired patterns on your blinds. Consider bold colors like turquoise, coral, and lime green for a lively atmosphere. 4. Bohemian chic. Combine eclectic elements like fringe, tassels, and macrame for a bohemian-inspired design. Opt for flowing, sheer fabrics and earthy tones for a relaxed and carefree vibe. 5. Modern farmhouse. Blend traditional farmhouse charm with contemporary style. Choose white or light gray blinds with subtle patterns or textures and pair them with natural wood accents. 6. Mediterranean magic. Recreate the essence of the Mediterranean with terracotta-colored blinds and ornate ironwork details. Add potted plants and string lights for a romantic touch. 7. Asian serenity. Incorporate Zen-like elements like bamboo blinds and paper lanterns. Opt for neutral colors like beige, brown, and gray for a tranquil and peaceful atmosphere. 8. Industrial chic. Combine raw materials like metal and concrete with sleek, minimalist blinds. Choose dark, moody colors like charcoal gray or deep blue for a contemporary edge. 9. Coastal cool. Embrace a breezy, coastal vibe with light, airy fabrics like linen or cotton. Opt for nautical-inspired patterns like stripes or anchors in cool, calming colors. 10. Luxurious retreat. Indulge in opulence with velvet or silk blinds in rich, jewel tones. Add crystal chandeliers and plush seating for a glamorous outdoor living space. Remember, the key to a successful pergola blind design is to choose materials and styles that complement your overall outdoor aesthetic. Consider factors such as your home's architecture, your personal preferences, and the local climate when making your selections. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of pergola blinds design. If you're looking for a way to add privacy, shade, and style to your outdoor space, I encourage you to consider using pergola blinds. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.